Today I'm going to show you how to use a really good video editing program that you probably already have and don't even know it. So stay tuned. Today I'm going to show you the Windows video editor that's built into Windows 10 on PC that you may or may not even know that you have. So to access this, just go down to your search bar, type in video, and you'll see the video editor pop up, video editor app. Click on that, and you'll have this opening screen here. So we're just going to go to new video project. We can type in a name. Let's just type in test video, and then we see our project library here. This is going to be our preview screen and our storyboard. So we click add from this PC, and then we're just going to find where we have our files at. So I have mine, let's see here. So I'm going to add all these in. Click open. Take just a minute to add them in. Okay, now we're back. We've got our files added in, and then it's just a matter of dragging files down to our storyboard. So I've got some screenshots here, and then I've also got a couple of videos. And so if you drag down to your storyboard, click play, and right now this is just a screenshot. Okay, so as you can see, this is 3 seconds long. So we can change our time if we want it. We go up to right click, go up to duration, and it's set on 3 seconds. We can change it to up to 7 seconds or down to 1 second if we want it shorter. So we'll leave it on 3 seconds for now. So let's drag another screenshot in here, and you can see our times automatically goes to this clip. And if we add one more in, let's add the engine in here. And once again it goes to there, or goes to that clip. So right now we just got a couple of screenshots. As you see, it just goes between those three. So maybe we want to add a little intro video into. So let's drag this down to the beginning. So you see we do that, it shoves all these back down. So let's take a look at this. We've got a little sound. This is actually the introduction to the game. This is a car mechanic simulator game I'm working with right now. A game that I play on my channel. And so let's say this one's a little long. So let's say we want to trim it. So we make sure we're highlight on that clip. Hit trim. And then we have markers here that'll tell us where it's going to start and where it's going to end. So let's go back to the beginning. I left my mouse cursor on here, so we want to take that out. Let's say we want to. Yeah, it's not a great place to start. Alright, I like that there. So let's start our clip there. And then let's see where we want to end it at. There it starts showing some auction pictures, so I kind of like this here where he's peeling out. So let's back it up a little bit, maybe right there, and that's where we want to end our clip. So we can test it just to make sure. Okay, I like that. So we're going to hit done. Now that clip, it shortened the clip. So now let's see what we got here. We'll speed this up a little bit, move it where we want. watch it transition into the pictures. There we go. So now another few things we can do. We can add motion, and these are kind of hard to tell. Let's go back to a different clip here. Let's go just our screenshot. We can add motion. These are all the different effects you can add for motion. They're not extremely noticeable, especially on screenshots, but I'm just showing the options right now. So cancel. We can add text. So let's see. Let's add a title card here, and we want to put that in the very front. So if we hit our title card, we're going to click on text, and let's see, let's just call this Car Mechanic Simulator. Now we have different styles we can use. So you see all the different styles. I kind of like the bold. Let's go with the bold. And we can also have different layouts. We can have across the top, bottom, side. You can barely see that. Let's see. Let's just go with this one right here. So click done. We've got our title card there. And let's see, what else? What other options do we have? We can move these around whatever order we want. And we can also make a ending card. And we'll make this something like the end. There we go. Alright, so this is just a kind of a simple video of showing what you can do in this. We can also add background music. Click up here. These are all, we can test and see what they sound like. So there's several different tracks you can use for your background if you want to use that. I don't want to use any right now. Let's see. And if you make a mistake, there is an undo button up here. There's also 3D effects. So there's all these different 3D effects. Just click on the comet trail. We can preview it. Let's see what happens if we move this one down a little bit. Maybe spin it around. Okay, so we can also add custom audio if we have audio files that we want to use. So anyway, it's just kind of a pretty good little editor that's already built in with Windows 10, and a lot of people may not even know that you have it. One more thing I want to show. Let's see. Let's add this clip in, and this was a clip that just of a little bit of a gameplay. So let's click on that, and let's say we want to split it. So let's go, let's see here. Okay, raise the car up. Let's say we want to split it there. So now it has split our video here. But let's say we want to duplicate that. Let's say we want to cut a part out, we want to trim a part out. So we right click, hit copy video clip, right click again, hit paste, and that's going to put the same clip here. So let's say we wanted to trim some of this out. Okay. Say we just want to show the hood part. So we're going to end it there. Slide that over and that's going to be our ending. Okay, and it's going to stop there. So we hit done. So now we've got that little short clip right here. I'll show you what that looks like. Now we go back in this video clip. So this one, we want to trim that part out as well. So we want it to start where the other one left off. So let's do that. Now let's see what happens. And you see how it transitions over to the next video and we picked it up. Okay, so now let's say we're done with our video. Let's go back to the beginning. This tells us our video is 4 minutes long. Speed through this a little bit. End shot of the engine and our end screen. Okay, so once you get your video where you want it, where you like it, then we're gonna hit finish video. We have the option to save it at 1080p, 720, or 540. We'll just go 1080, that's the best. Hit export, and it's going to ask us where we want to save it. So pick your file where you want to save it, hit export, and you'll see a progress bar. And this program works really quick. I've tried several different other video programs, and compared to them, this exports really fast and does a really good job of compressing the video. Very good quality. So hey, if you guys like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments section if you like this video or if you have any questions about using this program. And I really appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.